Magnet fishing. Kenny just pulled this big bar out. And he found some of these within 5 minutes here. That's cool.
Well, if this dock was busy, we wouldn't be here.
Yeah. That's where I'm magnet fishing. But you got people pulling their boats in. They don't like it when people magnet fish here. What'd you find that time, bro?
Nothing.
Nothing that time?
Nada.
Yeah, Andrew Porter's on his way. Same with Jennifer Caldwell. They're gonna come down here and magnet fish too with us.
Okay.
Found some good stuff already. Well, we got like $2 in change. Quarters and nickels and dimes and old pennies. Pre-war pennies too. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, we're down here at Bayfront Park in Hamilton at the boat launch. People lose a lot of valuable stuff in the water here. We're gonna stay here till we get it all out. Throw the garbage in the garbage and the metal beside the garbage so they can recycle it. Alright, we'll get back and find something good, guys.